Hi there, I'm Mrs. English. Today we'll practice 200 sentences together to help you speak with confidence. Listen, repeat, and remember, you can pause anytime. If you find this lesson helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to join our classroom. And don't forget to share this with a friend who is also learning. Ready? Let's begin. This is a workshop. The workshop is big. I work in this workshop. Many tools are here. We make things here. The workshop has good light. I like this workshop. My father owns this workshop. He works here every day. The workshop opens at 8. We close at 6 o'clock. The floor is very clean. Safety is very important here. I wear safety glasses always. My brother wears them too. There are many machines here. The machines are very loud. I use ear protection. The workshop has 3 rooms. One room is for wood. Another room is for metal. The third room is small. We store materials there. I need a hammer today. Where is the hammer? It is on the table. I pick up the hammer. This hammer is very heavy. My son uses a lighter hammer. He is learning to work. I teach him every Saturday. We work together in the workshop. He wants to make a box. I help him with the wood. First, we measure the wood carefully. Then we cut the wood slowly. Cutting wood needs attention and care. My son is doing well today. I am proud of his work. The box is almost finished now. We need to sand it smooth. Sanding takes a lot of time, but it makes the wood beautiful. My son enjoys this work very much. Will he finish the box today? Yes, he will finish it soon. The workshop has many different tools. Some tools are for cutting wood. Other tools are for joining pieces. I know how to use them all. My assistant is coming to the workshop today. She arrives at 9 o'clock every morning. She is learning to use the machines. I am teaching her about workshop safety. Safety rules are important for everyone here. We always wear protective equipment in here. She wears gloves when handling sharp objects. I wear a mask when sanding wood. The dust can be bad for lungs. We keep the workshop clean every day. A clean workshop is a safe workshop. My assistant sweeps the floor after work. I put all the tools away carefully. Everything has its own special place here. Where do we keep the screwdrivers? They are in the red toolbox. The red toolbox is on the shelf. We have 3 different sizes of screwdrivers. I use the medium size most often. My assistant prefers the small one for details. Today we are going to make a chair. A chair needs 4 legs and a seat. We also need wood for the back part. I have all the materials ready now. The wood is already cut to the sizes. Now we need to join the pieces together. We will use wood glue and screws today. First, I apply the glue to the joints. Then I hold the pieces together for minutes. My assistant helps me hold them in place. We work as a good team together always. After the glue dries, we add the screws. The screws make the chair very strong now. This chair will last for many long years. I made my first chair 10 years ago. It is still in my house today. My children sit on that old chair daily. I want to make more furniture this year. Maybe I will make a table next week. Tables are bigger than chairs to build usually. Yesterday, a customer came to visit the workshop. She wanted to order a new wooden table. I showed her different types of wood available. She liked the oak wood the best choice. Oak is strong and has a beautiful color. But oak wood is also quite expensive material. The customer said that price was not a problem. She wants a table for her dining room. The table needs to seat 8 people comfortably. I will start working on it next Monday morning. I need to buy more oak wood from the supplier tomorrow. The supplier delivers wood to the workshop every week usually. I have been working in this workshop for 15 years now. My father taught me everything I know about woodworking skills. He learned from his father many years ago in Italy. Our family has worked with wood for 3 generations already. I hope my son will continue this family tradition too. He shows a lot of interest in the workshop work. Last week, he made a small toy car by himself. The toy car had 4 wheels and was painted red. He gave the toy car to his little sister happily. She was very happy with the gift from her brother. The workshop has many different types of wood for projects. Pine wood is soft and easy to work with daily. Oak wood is hard and perfect for furniture that lasts. Maple wood has a light color and smooth texture always. Cherry wood is expensive but looks very beautiful when finished. I keep all the wood organized in the storage room. Each type of wood has its own space on the racks. This organization helps me find what I need very quickly. A messy workshop makes work slower and more difficult for everyone. My assistant is learning about different wood types this month carefully. She wants to know which wood is best for each project. I am teaching her about the properties of each wood type. Some woods are better for outdoor furniture because they resist water. Other woods are perfect for indoor furniture and decorative items only. Today I am going to repair an old wooden desk. The desk belongs to a school in the local area nearby. One of the legs is broken and needs to be replaced. I measured the broken leg and cut a new piece yesterday. Now I need to attach the new leg to the desk. I will use strong wood glue and long screws for this job. The desk is very old and has historical value to them. The school wants to keep it for many more years ahead. I am happy to help preserve this beautiful old desk piece. Restoration work is very satisfying for me to do in workshop. The workshop can be cold in winter months here in town. We have a heater to keep the space warm and comfortable. But I still wear a jacket when working in January usually. My hands get cold when I work with metal tools outside. In summer, the workshop can get very hot and uncomfortable sometimes. We open all the windows to let fresh air come inside. We also have a fan to help cool down the space. Working in comfortable temperatures helps us do better work always. I am teaching a woodworking class in the workshop next Saturday morning. 5 students have signed up for the beginner class so far today. They will learn basic safety rules and how to use simple tools. Each student will make a small wooden box during the class time. I have prepared all the materials and tools they will need there. Teaching others about woodworking makes me very happy and proud inside. My assistant will help me during the class with the students tomorrow. She will show them how to sand wood properly and safely always. The class will last for 3 hours on Saturday morning from 9. Students need to bring their own safety glasses and work gloves, please. We provide all the tools and materials for the projects at workshop. I hope the students will enjoy learning new skills with us there. Maybe some of them will continue woodworking as a hobby after class. Last month, I bought a new electric saw for the workshop space. The old saw was not working well anymore after 10 years' use. The new saw cuts wood much faster and more smoothly than before. It has special safety features that protect the user from accidents always. I read the instruction manual carefully before using it the first time. Now I can complete projects much faster than I could do before. Good tools are an important investment for any workshop business, I think. They help us work more efficiently and produce better quality products daily. I am planning to buy a new sanding machine next month too. The current sanding machine is old and sometimes stops working suddenly without warning. A reliable sanding machine will help us finish projects on time always. I have been saving money for this new machine for 6 months. Next week, I am going to visit a tool store to compare different models. I want to choose the best machine for our workshop needs and budget. My father always said that good tools last longer and work better. I follow his advice when I buy equipment for the workshop here. The workshop is not just a place where I work every day. It is also a place where I feel happy and creative always. I love the smell of fresh wood in the morning when starting. I enjoy seeing a project come together from start to finish completely. Every piece of furniture tells a story of hard work and care. My customers appreciate the quality of the work I do for them. They often come back to order more furniture for their homes again. Word of mouth has helped my workshop business grow steadily over the years. I am grateful for every customer who trusts me with their projects. Building furniture is not just my job, it is my passion in life. I wake up every morning excited to go to the workshop today. Even after 15 years, I still learn something new regularly in here. Woodworking is a craft that takes a lifetime to master, I believe. There is always a new technique to try or a skill to improve. I read woodworking magazines and watch online videos to learn more skills. My assistant and I often discuss new ideas for improving our work methods. We experiment with different finishes and techniques to achieve better results always. The workshop will be closed next week for annual maintenance and cleaning. We will organize all the tools and materials during this break time. I will also repair any equipment that needs fixing or adjustment carefully. This maintenance week helps us start fresh and work more efficiently after. I am looking forward to a few days of rest too, honestly. But I know I will miss the workshop even during short breaks. This place is a big part of my life and my identity. I cannot imagine doing any other type of work in my life. The workshop is where I belong and where I am happiest. I will continue working here for many more years to come ahead. Great job, you finished today's lesson. You practiced 200 sentences. I am very proud of you. Please write your favorite sentence in the comments below. I want to read them. Subscribe to this channel for more English lessons every day. See you in the next video. Keep practicing. You are doing great. Goodbye.